Previous year questions of SSC-JE Civil, building materials, bricks, stones and timber. Crushing strength of good building stone should be more than 50 megapascal, 100 megapascal, 150 megapascal or 200 megapascal. The correct answer is 100 megapascal. The king closures are related to doors and windows, king post truss, queen post truss or brick masonry. The correct answer is brick masonry. The water absorption for good brick should not be more than 10% of its dry weight or 15% of its dry weight or 10% of its saturated weight or 15% of its saturated weight. The correct answer is option number B, that is 15% of its dry weight. Clay bricks are made of earth having nearly equal proportion of silica and alumina or nearly equal proportions of silica, alumina and lime. Option 3 is 35 to 70% silica and 10 to 20% alumina. 10 to 20% silica and 35 to 70% alumina. The correct answer is option number 3, 35 to 70% silica and 10 to 20% alumina. The most suitable stone for building piers is granite, limestone, marble or sandstone. The correct answer would be granite. Limestone and sandstone are used for architectural purposes and marble is used for ornamental work. The crushing strength of first class brick is 3 Newton per mm square, 5.5 Newton per mm square, 10.5 Newton per mm square or 7.5 Newton per mm square. The correct answer is 10.5 Newton per mm square. For second class brick it is 7.5 and for third class brick it would be 3.5. For polishing mosaic floors we use carbolic acid, muriatic acid, acetic acid or oxalic acid. The correct answer is oxalic acid. Strength-based classification of bricks is made on the basis of IS 3101, IS 3102, IS 3495 or IS 3496. The correct answer is IS 3102. Under heat and pressure, ग्रेनाइट कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू, किस चीज में ग्रेनाइट ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाता है ग्नीस में. सैंडस्टोन ट्रांसफॉर्म्स इनटू क्वार्ट्जाइट, लाइमस्टोन converts into marble and mudstone or claystone converts into slate. Quartzite and marble are by nature volcanic, plutonic, sedimentary or metamorphic. Quartzite and marble are metamorphic by nature. The plutonic and volcanic are igneous rocks. The volcanic rock is also called extrusive igneous rock and the plutonic Igneous rocks are also called intrusive igneous rocks. Basalt is by nature metamorphic, volcanic, plutonic, or metamorphic. Basalt is by nature volcanic rock. Water absorption of class 1 brick after 24 hours of immersion in water should not exceed -% of its self-weight. 25%, 18%, 20% or 22%. So it should not exceed 20% of its self-weight for class 1 brick, 22% for class 2 and 25% for class 3. Granite is a rock that is by nature. Granite is metamorphic, volcanic, plutonic or sedimentary. The correct answer is plutonic. The disease of dry rot in timber is caused by option 1 is complete submergence in water. Option 2 is alternate wet and dry conditions. Option 3 is lack of ventilation, or option D, that is none of these. The correct answer would be lack of ventilation. Alternate wet and drying condition causes wet rot. The age of trees can be understood by measuring the diameter of pitch, the thickness of bark, or counting number of rings, or the length of medullary rays. Counting number of rings means the number of annular rings. The correct answer is option number 3. Annular rings gives us the age of trees. Which of the following is hardest wood? Option 1 is babul, option 2 is cheer, option 3 is teak, or option 4 that is shisham. The correct answer is shisham gives us hardest wood. The woodwork should be measured nearest to 0.001 meter, 0.002 meter, 0.003 meter or 0.004 meter. The correct answer would be option number 2, that is 0.002 meter. That's it.